In this video, I will be reviewing mSpy versus SpyX. So if you're comparing mSpy and SpyX, you're looking at two phone monitoring tools built for deep tracking. Now, these aren't basic parental control apps. They are designed for detailed device monitoring like messages, calls, apps, and etc. So the real question is, which one gives you better access, reliability, and value? So let's break it down. And let's start with the similarities. And the first one that we have is deep monitoring. Both mSpy and SpyX offer SMS and call log tracking, social media and monitoring, which does vary by device, GPS location tracking, browser history access. So if your goal is detailed visibility into device activity, both tools go far beyond basic screen time apps. Next, we have remote dashboard. Both platforms provide an online dashboard where you can log in and monitor activity remotely. And once this is set up, you don't need constant physical access to the device. That makes both convenient for ongoing monitoring. And lastly, we have cross-device support. Both support Android and iOS devices, though feature availability may vary depending on the setup requirement. So whether you're monitoring an iPhone or Android, both have solutions but with different limitations. Now let's move on to the differences, and the first one that we have is reputation and track record. mSpy has been around much longer and is one of the more established names in the monitoring space. It has a larger user base and more public reviews. SpyX, on the other hand, is newer and less established, which may affect long-term reliability and support consistency, but if you value experience and brand recognition, mSpy feels more proven. Next, we have feature depth. mSpy generally offers more advanced monitoring options, especially on Android, including key logging, app activity tracking, detailed message logs, geofencing. SpyX focuses more on cloud-based monitoring, especially for iOS, often without requiring jailbreaking. So if you want maximum feature depth, mSpy often goes further. If you want an easier setup, especially on iPhone, SpyX may be simpler. Lastly, we have their price structure. Both require subscriptions. However, mSpy typically positions itself as a premium monitoring solution, while SpyX often markets competitive pricing. So budget may play a role, but with monitoring software, reliability and feature access often matter more than small price differences. So here's the clear decision. If you want a more established platform with deeper monitoring capabilities, especially on Android, mSpy is usually the stronger option. If you prefer simpler setup, particularly for iOS cloud-based tracking, and want a potentially lower price entry, SpyX might be appealing. But remember, these tools are built for intensive monitoring, so your decision should depend on how much access you truly need and your legal responsibilities in your region. It's not just about features, it's about purpose and proper use. So that will be it for this video, and I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.